Alright, so welcome back to Jackson Productions. Today we're with my buddy Bird in his 91 Nissan 300ZX. This used to have the NA motor. Now this one has the twin turbo, which is the
VG30DE TT.
So we're swapping that, and also had the automatic trans, and now we're putting a 5-speed in it. Currently the motor and trans are sitting in here, but that's only because we needed somewhere to put it. So for today, we're actually going to yank the motor out, start pulling it down because he's got upgraded turbos. We're going to put some new gaskets on it, change all the hoses, and kind of take care of some wiring. Am I missing anything? Oh yeah, new clutch.
Two-piece drive shaft also. Got a specially made one from Z1 Motorsports. That's a single piece.
No. But for today though, the big focus is just getting the motor out and kind of giving it a once over. So, alright, well we're going to yank it out and we'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
So now we've got the motor starting to come out. These bad boys are shoehorned in here. So we're kind of battling it, trying to pull, twist, and squeeze until it gets out. Right now it's smacking the oil pan into the steering and the back of the motor is hitting the firewall. So we're going to keep wiggling and shaking until something gives.
Wait, let me look and try to think of something.
Maybe we'll get lucky and something will break.
Right.
Well, I think you already cracked the oil pan, so.
No.
Yeah.
No. How?
You want to see how much oil's on that fucker?
Yeah, it's been leaking, dummy. What? Just because you see oil doesn't mean we cracked it. You know how much force it takes to crack that?
That's not a little bit, a lot, but still. But this is where we're cut up on right here.
Well, we need to figure our shit out soon because this chain link's about to give out.
Is it?
Yes. Get out from underneath the car right now.
That's good to know. Oh, it is. Sweet.
Only a little sketchy. And really terrifying.
Yep. We are professional idiots. Nothing about this is safe. And you are hitting your thing.
No. Just
Okay. Okay, well, stop kissing it. It's not consenting.
consent is important. So. What are we doing?
You haven't done yet, Bird?
He's having a blast watching his thousands of dollars worth of motor
Dangle above
off a sketchy ass chain. This one's not cracking in half. We'll show you guys that one here. All right, we're gonna cut to a picture of the chain. That thing's fucked up.
I hate you.
You hate me because you know that's gonna look good.
You can probably lower it slightly.
Hold on. Come here.
How close are you?
Talking about fitting this engine out of here. Hey! Ow! Ooh, a rag. The last person was this jackass. That's probably not important. Alright, so we'll be right back after we yank this trans off. Alright, so as you can see, we got that thing out. Whew, wasn't super fun. Like everything's pretty well cleared out. I don't think we broke too much. There's just a couple little clips and stuff. We kind of rushed putting it in the first place. Really, there were no catastrophic issues. It just kind of a pain in the butt. But I mean, what do you think? You think it was pretty hard, or?
I mean, like, it was pretty easy. There's a few things where we got stuck, but hey, it's fucking out.
I think you need to do the steering delete so it's easier to get in and out. We're gonna need steering. But yeah, so that's it for today. Yeah, this is just gonna be a video of us pulling this stupid motor out. Sorry, it's mostly time lapse. It just wasn't that much interesting stuff. I think we filmed a little bit of funny, stupid stuff we were doing. Hopefully you guys can see some of the sketchy shit we had to do. But you know, oh well. But yeah, so that's it for now. On the next episode for this, you'll see this guy yanking those old turbos off and putting on brand new shiny ones on that trusty looking motor. Believe it or not, that's a low mileage TT motor. So, yeah. But it's gonna be good. So, catch you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Yanked it. Yep. Ditto.